Hi guys, this is Tianna from TGotYourKeys.com, and today we're going to be looking at the beautiful 2020 Encore GX. We're just going to go over some buttons here that may confuse a little people of what it does exactly, so we're going to just run through those real quick. Down here on the left hand side we have the auto stop start feature, which basically if you are idling for too long and your cabin has reached the temperature that you have set on the air conditioning or heating unit, as soon as the cabin reaches that temperature, your engine will go into a hibernation mode, which basically saves you more gas. So if you're stopped at a red light for too long, stuck in traffic, you'll hear your engine slightly turn off. It's not completely off, it's just hibernating. As soon as you lift your foot right off of the brake, your engine automatically snaps on within milliseconds, and as soon as your foot hits the gas pedal, you will already be in drive. So that is that feature. A really cool thing about the Encore specifically is that you can actually turn that feature on or off. Some cars and manufacturers have that automatically put in place, but Encore and the Buicks know that not everybody is a fan of that feature. It is moving to that, but not everybody is a fan, so you can turn on and off that feature if you would like. Next to that, we also have the all-wheel drive function. Another cool thing that you can turn on and off is that this vehicle is all-wheel drive, but you may turn that off into just two-wheel drive. So that is obviously less wear on your tread, you get better gas and fuel economy as well. Next to that, we also have on this particular one our lane departure warning, which you can also deactivate. Basically, the computer and the car is going to read the little dotted lines on the road, and if it senses that you are pulling to one side, you're getting out of the lane, it'll actually pull your steering wheel for you, keeping you inside the lane with that lane keep assist. Also on your dashboard, you're going to see that green symbol that is the same symbol on the button here. You're going to see that symbol turn orange, letting you know visually as well you're departing from a lane. You should probably get in it. As soon as you're in the lane, it'll stay green and you're good to go. Next to that button, we also have our traction control button that you may turn your wheel traction on or off if you would like to do that. Up here, we also have our heated seats on this one. There's 3 settings. There's a high, a medium, and a low, and that is for the driver and the passenger seat. We also have a dual climate control here. So I may adjust my climate to what it is, and it'll actually show digitally what the temperature is set to, so there's no guessing of if it's all the way on the blue, if it's all the way in the red. It actually shows you exact degree temperatures, and you can adjust that like this with the touch of a button. And right now they are synced, so if my passenger wanted to be a little bit warmer than I was, I simply just unhit the sync button, and now my temperature can be whatever I set it to. That way both people are very happy and comfortable in this vehicle. Buick actually redesigned these knobs here. They made them a little more elegant. We also have like a grip on the side here, a little easier for you to turn. We also don't have too many buttons on the dash here. Buick really likes to keep the car looking clean and complete one dash, and mostly everything digitally. So there's really not too many buttons to play with. Everything's either done on the screen or simply with a turn of a knob. So just wanted to go over a couple of things with you on that. On the side here, we also have our cruise control buttons as well as our menu shifter. On the dash here, you can shift through your miles per hour, your average fuel economy. There's even a timer as well as how many miles you have until you're on E. Another cool thing that this Buick does specifically is that on the left hand side there's actually a little square, and that shows you the speed limit of the road that you're currently driving on. So if you're ever driving down a dark road, you haven't seen a speed limit sign in quite a while, your car will actually know and tell you what the speed limit should be. And that is placed right next to the miles per hour that you are going, the digital speedometer, and so that way you can always keep a check to make sure you're not speeding. Another cool feature that GM did. We also have our voice to talk button, our hang up button, and this is our gap control for the collision warning, so you can set that gap to 3, 2, or 1, just keeping you and your passengers safe, making sure that you keep a gap when you are driving because you never know. So again, these are just some of the features that I wanted to go over on the 2020 Buick Encore GX. If you have any other questions for me, any other features that you want to know about, feel free to reach out to me on my website, which is TGotYourKeys.com, or you can reach me at 610-607-3231.